here we are. This is my haul for the season. I wanted to give you guys a peek and show you how gorgeous that color is when the light shines through it. It's just beautiful. Give you a little pan. You can see the sunlight coming through. All in all, we gathered 130 gallons of sap. We turned it into just about 4.5 gallons of syrup. So we had just amazing sap to sugar content. It averaged out to be about 29 to 1, I think it was. So just amazing. Our trees were just really sweet this year, and the syrup is just delicious. You can see I've got mostly half pints. I'll be giving a lot of this away and of course using it, but it was a great season. I'm so glad you guys were along for the ride, and I can't wait for next year. Hope your season was just as sweet, and can't wait to talk to you again later. We'll be cooking this into delicious recipes, so make sure you check back to our Facebook page if you'd like to learn more about how to cook with syrup. There's a lot more to it than pancakes and waffles. Also, if you'd like to learn how to make your own maple syrup, check out our website at www.mapletapper.com. We have tons of articles, how-tos, and videos and more information on how you can make your own maple syrup. And if you've been following me this year, you know it's not that hard. If you can boil water and run a drill, you pretty much know how to make maple syrup. All you need is a maple tree and some patience. So thanks again for watching, and happy tapping!